is one of the most famous places in Mexico. It is an ancient Mayan city with a large pyramid called El Castillo. Many tourists visit it every year. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chichen Itza is an important part of Mexico culture. Hot chocolate has a long history in Mexico. The ancient Maya and Aztec people made chocolate drinks from cocoa beans. Their drink was different from today's sweet hot chocolate because it was often spicy and not sweet. Over time, people add milk, sugar, and cinnamon to make it creamy and delicious. Today, Mexican hot chocolate is enjoyed by families, especially during cold weather and holiday. It is often served with sweetbread or pastry. Many people whisk the drink until it becomes frothy and smooth. Hot chocolate is a warm and comforting drink that is loved by children and adults alike.